If you're going somewhere during cold weather, make sure to bring food and warm clothes.
If you go outside, dress properly. 3 layers are recommended.
Have an emergency medicine bag ready.
If the body's core temperature dips below 95 degrees, hypothermia can begin to set in.
If you find yourself outdoors during a blizzard, have a heat source ready.
If you get stuck in the snow, have cat litter to provide traction for your tires.
These are the basic materials that you need in your car during a blizzard.
The source that we used to find our information was everydayhealth.com. By Jazmin,
Taylor,
and Emily.